say words that aren't real words, and we're like, oh, what does that mean? Never be enough, will it?
No, I know, true that.
Because it just like goes, and you're like, what?
On the ground. Have you put your... rock
Or musicals. Would you classify Pocahontas as a musical? Oh yeah.
classic?
What happened to her?
Yeah, me too.
What are we doing? We're on our way to Shrewsbury. Yes. For a little weekend in Shropshire. Woo! Weep weep! I'm really hoping that's not going to fall off.
We'll soon find out because this is a good test.
Where it's got grippy feet. It's jiggling.
Can you see me as well? That's fun.
Yeah, I put you in it.
I feel honoured.
Very excited. Right, we're leaving you now. I say with the cathedral in the background.
It's cool.
It's cool.
It's giving religious energy.
Don't get jerked on the jacket.
Excellent at those.
That looks really good on you, to be fair. It's
like could have a small.
Could have a small, right? Yeah, that with jeans is so nice. Am I even recording? Yeah, I am.
Gives double chin.
It gives double chin. Beep beep. Oh, that's a good one as well.
Me singing in the background.
No, this tapestry coat.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what is it? Yeah, so cool.
really nice.
It's so cool, so cool, so cool.
What is it?
This pink sec. I didn't even know. You know, that looks old. That looks 90s?
Yeah, I like that. With high-waisted jeans.
Yeah. It's just the shape. It's just so Vivienne Westwood.
I think it's the collar.
Yeah. And the fact it cinches in.
A little bit.
And the fact, yeah, and it's raw silk, which I really like that dress as well. The yellow cardigan as well.
That gives a bit of you.
It does, doesn't it? Who's this for? Made in England. Me. Even these like plant pots and thingies are so cute.
This is what you need, but for me. They've got the orange juice for dinner. Is that what it is?
I have no purpose. I actually have to, like, imagine sawing pasta or rice and that. Oh, so good. Big little candle. I like the olive one, the big olive one at the back.
Yeah.
Yummy. I want to see this pop. Go!
That went everywhere. Best film footage ever. Correct?
Quid.
It's not bad though.
Yummy salmon. Yeah. And ramen. Rip for the chili oil though, because you're not going to be having that.
Scared of you like this.
With my little camera, that looks delicious. Okay, hello, rate our lunch out of 10.
500. 510 out of
510 out of 10. I would say mine was a solid 511.
It's a solid 511. Now she's full of rice.
I'm so full. I'm actually so full.
There we go.
Okay, to the vintage shop we go. building.
Quite a lift in it.
Go through the old thing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's so cool.
Old market hall.
Hello, Ishi. Sorry. It does bother you?
What do you think? What do we think?
I think it's yes. Who knew Radley did? Who knew Radley did?
Yeah.
Clothing? And be like, Harriet, I bought some tomato sockies.
Oh, the donut.
Love it. I think I want an egg charm.
My friend Emily has the egg charm. I only got my ears pierced last September.
What?
I feel like it's so exciting.
It's so
exciting.
Beer, and I hate it. I hate it for myself
Why?
because it's real effort.
This is so nifty.
Now, isn't it? It's so busy. Oh, this is so sunny. I am vlogging now, if you're concerned for your well-being. Oh, my fringe looks... That's good. I might actually try and like tie it around my handle or something.
The sunglasses most important.
Most importantly, the sunglasses. Try and do something.
Yeah? I can always show you. Covering the whole of the top of the bag.
Hee hee. Hee hee. She's cute.
These are literally obsessed.
Hee hee. This is such cute footage. Surprise! We were in some random field.
Random fields.
Said fields. Boo! What were we doing? Shooting. Shooting. This outfit. Is it going to actually do? No, it's not.
That's so funny.
Alas.
You can crop that in.
Yeah, I can crop it in. Beautiful field. Beautiful vibes. Now I'm very hungry.
Time for food.
Time for food. Sunday morning. I just got up. So sleepy. Yesterday was so nice. We basically went into Shrewsbury, had a little mooch around, had a look at some of the chai shops, went for a really yummy lunch at a Japanese restaurant, and then we shot some content in a field in the afternoon, and in the evening we literally just had a really chill evening, made some pasta and watched Wild Child. Such an iconic film. Today I think we're going to go out for a coffee and I think go for a walk and maybe go for a Sunday roast. So I'm going to take you along. Bye everybody. I'm so sleepy. off for breakfast? Well, I'm off for breakfast because you had
my wheat bix.
Your Weetabix. I was going to say knitted by grannies. That's not the same thing.
You have such good reactions. I love that wasn't even a big turn.
That's so good. I'm really gonna keep that in there because that's funny. Well, for breakfast, I think I'm gonna get. I don't know what I'm gonna get. The Mexican.
Like, you want a full English, but in reality, you're probably not gonna get that.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the Mexican. What's it called?
Benny.
Oh, I don't know what that is. I'm assuming like a Benedict, like
an eggs Benedict.
Yeah, I'm very excited. So, yummy.
Yum, yum.
So we're back in the car though. Where are we going for a walk?
That's a good question. A wooded walk and with all the roses.
All the roses.
Yeah. Rose field.
That's going to be so nice. Yeah. Because I think it's going to rain.
Yeah. Cut to the next clip of us absolutely drenched.
Absolutely drenched.
Please don't
you with that. Oh no. We're following cyclists and it's low-key annoying. We love you cyclists.
Bless them.
Yeah, I think it's going to torrential down.
Oh, they're stopping. That's really sweet.
Oh, that's sweet. I'm going to stop vlogging. Then I might just hold my camera. I'm very much looking forward to a walk though.
Walking is life.
Walking is life.
Gotta walk off our full English.
Oh, it was so good though. That was so yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, cute old houses. Okay, I don't know why I'm vlogging this. This is literally so pointless. Back in vlogging mode in my neon like high vis jacket. I feel like I'm ready to go tarmac the M4.
I love that for you.
Thank you. I just like the fact that we're pottering.
Always pottering.
Is that the right word? Mooching. No, we're not mooching, are we? Because we're not looking at stuff.
We're bobbing along.
We're bobbing in nature. Meandering through the countryside. Is this all like public then, all of this? Yeah, it must be. No, obviously these are private.
This is public but have right of way.
Yeah.
But it's
so
like
nice.
Private farm. It's always like the Twilight Forest to me.
Stop! Wait, I feel like... No, I missed it! Ah! Go jump. Low-key, I see that though. Wait, what? Wait, is that Edward I see in the trees? Edward, are you there?
Come on, spider monkey.
I mean, there's some fat clouds over there.
That's where we could have gone. That hill.
Over there? Oh, that hill. Yeah. That looks wet over there.
The weekend looks wet.
It does look wet. Roses? See the roses? So many. Oh my god, I like the orange ones.
Yeah, that's really nice. Like peachy.
See,
I prefer like a bush rose to like a stick.
A shrubby rose.
Stick rose. Because sometimes they look just like a bit like sticks in the ground, don't they?
Yeah, you're like, oh, gross. We don't want, like, sometimes tourism's annoying.
Yeah, it's good, but sometimes it's like, ugh, get away from me.
Get away from me!
Holly. It's me.
Why are they so tall and like skinny?
Like, hi, I'm just here.
I
like, where's the light?
No, it's more like.
What do you mean? Like,
I love it.
I feel like a winter.
Oh. That doesn't look real.
It's so pretty.
What? The to a low angle of my head. The trees.
Definitely like dappled light.
I love dappled light.
I look forward to walking in the summer and then it might be too hot.
Yeah, literally like I'm melting.
But actually walking in the winter is great.
You see the fields? Ah! You can't see the fields.
Just your head.
Just my head.
That tree is creepy.
The tree doesn't look creepy.
I love it.
Said tree. Creepy. But cool. We got rained on. Wow.
Nature.
Nature. I look like a little egg.
You look cute like an egg.
Whoa. I love how this is like in the last, I don't know, 3 minutes of our walk.
Yeah.
We just got rained on.
Why did you drenched?
And then the roses in the background. Cute.
The roses are now wet.
They're getting watered. I love that. Okay, bye-bye. Spotted
In the wild.
in the wild, a little vintage coachy. It's got a cute little, still got the little tag. Ah, I like it, it's cute. Okay. I don't think I've ever been to an antique fair. I say fair, what is this? This is not fair. This is a Sunbury, that's true. How much are they? Yeah, it's a bit much for a vintage thing. That's so cool.
Family who got married has one plugged in properly.
This little flower thing. Whee! We're like, it's so cute. Hello!
Sorry, I was just like in another world.
We just had really yummy lunch.
Yum yum.
It was really yummy. Antique Centre was so jokes.
Such good times.
I just can't believe, I actually genuinely can't believe that we talked about the Hovis ceramic collection and then we found it in there.
As you do.
As you do.
As you do, you got to manifest
You
these
got to
things.
manifest the ceramics. But we're going to another antique place now. I'm actually really excited.
I'm excited. See some furniture.
Yeah, what if I end up buying the furniture?
We'll soon find out. My car's quite large.
That's true, your car's large. My car's probably
Bit smaller.
a bit bigger, I reckon.
Ooh.
We'll see.
Look at me having this car.
Off we go! We made it. Such a cute old man. Round 2, antiquing.
Yeah, it's nice.
How nice is it? I want it. And the one at the back. I wonder how much they are.
I want it back there. I don't know. Should we try?
Yeah, let's go. I'm scared for you.
Outside for a head.
You hairy lemon. Oh, that's a great insult. Does it say? I guess.
Yeah, it does. I just 45. It's not bad that.
Like the shelving unit.
I know.
The original G-plan.
This is the pictures that I want.
Oh yeah, the greeny pictures.
Yeah.
That is great. This yellow light. Wow. Yeah, I'm intrigued. I'm just obsessed with everything. I love it all.
45.
Is it IKEA? A vintage IKEA?
German, 1960s.
That's so cool. I might send it.
She goes over to get the dates. I've talked to her about it.
That's so successful antiquing. Woo. I love your flushed away toys.
They're so cute.
They're so silly. I feel like they're so fun.
Flushed away for life.
For life. That the mid-century corner in that place was insane. Well, I wanted to buy all the furniture.
All the furniture.
Low key might go get that cabinet tomorrow if it fits in the car.
Yeah, we'll have to do some measuring.
Do some measuring.
I've got measuring tape.
I got the silliest little bread. What even is it? A trinket dish?
The bread sauce is
It's
like
a
dish, isn't it? For
Yeah.
serving.
The serving bread sauce, but I think I'm gonna put stuff in it.
Weird that it has a lid.
Yeah, who puts like a lid on it? Yeah. Also niche because it's only for Christmas time.
Oh, like a roast dinner maybe.
Oh, I suppose that's true. But that was such a cute little spot. Thank you for taking me there.
That's okay.
Yeah. Okay, we're going home. And then to get tea. What day is it? It's Monday. It doesn't feel like a Monday though.
Nope.
Because we're meant to be working.
Haha.
Whoopsies. But we're going to David Austin Roses.
More rose content.
More rose content. For a little coffee and have a look around the gardens before I drive back home.
A little mooch.
A little mooch. We love a little mooch. We've done a lot of mooching this weekend.
That's all we do.
Yeah, it's just like a full mooch weekend. Very excited though. I just like, oh no, kitty in the road! No, bubble kitty!
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, it's a bubble kitty!
Bless it. It was like, oh my god.
Yay! Roses. Roses. So nice.
I've been here for a while actually. It's quite nice.
Oh my god, that's amazing. So I didn't even saw these growing in that field, you know.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they?
So cute. That's small cute still.
They're so nice. So pretty. Hello. Oh my god.
Oh, love. Yeah, just my face.
She is.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Oh my god.
I'm saying that, like, they can't see.
Oh, I can show them.
Look at that, guys. Woo-wee. Woo-wee.
I like this orange one up
Yeah,
here.
it's beautiful. You like this sort of open ones, don't you? Like, they look like peonies.
I like the ones that look like peonies. Like this to me is stunning. Look at that. Look at him. So gorgeous. Species garden. That's really nice. I feel like you do like that.
I like it.
I like it.
Zooms in such an intense way.
This is so nice.
Give it
Is
a
this too bright for you?
maybe a tiny bit.
Oh, it's so nice. It doesn't smell. No, it doesn't smell. I wish it did smell. It also doesn't smell. I see you, Mr. Peacock. No way. This is the end of the vlog.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers. Driving home now after seeing the roses.
I'm not getting in that. You could really explain that's a peacock.
That's a peacock. See you in the next one.